These are the new Dreaming of Venice kits. These kits are going to go live on Design and Adorn's website tonight at 5 o'clock Arizona time. And I just wanted to show you these pendants. They're gorgeous. These beads are from the island of Murano in Italy, which is famous going back centuries for making these amazing lampwork glass beads. So for every single kit, you get a ready to wear pendant. We've already done all of the wire wrapping for you. And the pendant has one of these amazing Murano glass beads, and we've embellished it in some way. It has an 8mm veil that's going to slide right over your Kumihimo necklace. And the braid itself is really straightforward. If you've done Kumihimo before, you'll be able to do this no problem. So these first few beads here have something really extra special about them. You see this cane here with the yellow and blue striping, and then in the center there's concentric circles with the white, the red, the yellow, and the green. That cane is nearly 100 years old. It's from the 1930s. It's almost antique. And this treasured cane has just been waiting all of this time for its moment in the spotlight to become this amazing bead. And I just think that is so cool. So these beads just have incredible detail. So this bead in my hand, it has this incredibly difficult to make layered cane. And then here in the center, do you see those roses? The Mille Rosé. It's beautiful roses. And I'm going to apologize right now for my Italian pronunciation. I'm doing my best. And then this gold stone here, this glittery copper bit, in Italian that's avventurina. They call it that because it's a little adventure. Every time you make it, it's very unpredictable glass and difficult to work with. So we have so many incredible pendants. And of course, for each one, carefully went through and picked out the perfect seed beads to go with it. So the necklace is a fade, so the color in the little cup, that's the front of the necklace, and the color in the big cup, that's the back. And then everything's going to have a little sprinkle of an accent color to match the metal. So anything that has gold accents, gold wire working on the pendant, the accent beads will also be gold, and the findings will be gold. So we're going to have this toggle on there. I'll be sending out an email in a little bit that has photos, nice clear photos of all 62 colorways. Can you believe that? We did the show last year and we had, I think, 50 colorways, but the show sold out in less than 24 hours. So I did get a few more this year. Maybe went a little bit nuts, but I couldn't help myself. They're all just so amazing. Gold leaf is something that features really prominently in a lot of these beads. You can see the gold leaf here on the surface of this bead. So sometimes the gold leaf is right on the outside of the bead and you can touch it. Other times the gold leaf is on the inside. Like here, you can see the gold leaf, but there's also a layer of clear glass over it. So if gold leaf is on the inside of the bead, it is there for the rest of time. If the gold leaf is on the outside of your bead, that will eventually wear away from friction. So if you're a person who likes to worry your beads and just like rub them endlessly, just know that you're going to rub off the gold leaf a little bit faster. So something to think about when you're picking out which kit you want. Oh, look at that one. Oh, and these little beads at the top, those ribbed gold beads there, those are vintage. Those are Italian vintage little spacer beads that I was able to pick up. They're from the 1970s. I thought that was really fun to include there. Oh, this one. Look at this one. Most of these are onesies. I only have one. Some of them Like here, I've got two of them, so I'll be able to make two of that kit color. But most of them are just the one and only. We're gonna put these kits on the website at 5 p.m. Arizona time tonight. This is May 16th. Arizona is currently on Pacific time, so 5 o'clock Pacific and Arizona. What is that? That's 6 Mountain, 7 Central, doing my math here, 8 Eastern. Oh, look at these. I just adore these with the Mille Rosé. The details on these are just so exquisite. Like this one here, we have all these beautiful blue roses with the light blue and the dark blue. And then look at the vines. Do you see how there's just like this sparkling, vibrant green vine in there? And then here, there it is with the beads at the front. Spectacular. So many to choose from. We have been working on these for weeks and weeks. I enlisted Richard's help to help me get some of the wire wrapping done. Last year I did all the wire wrapping by myself, and I actually kind of like gave myself a bit of like tendonitis in my wrist. So I was being careful to go more slowly this time and not try to wrap everything all on, just a few weeks. That's why we have dragged this out over a longer period of time. Oh, look at these. These are the hollow ones. These are blown. Isn't that fabulous? I just love these. And what I like about this one is look at the detail on those blue lines. So you have this really vibrant blue at the center, and then you have a really, really micro thin line of darker blue on the outside. Just spectacular. This one makes me think of stained glass. It's so pretty. So I do have, generally speaking, all of the kits with gold are first in the lineup, and then since it's mostly gold because there's so much gold leaf, the ones with silver or copper, they're the higher numbers. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at the chain on there. Let me get back. Isn't that amazing? Oh, and this one. This one's really unusual. It is the only one we have in the show that's a matte finish. So this is the Adventurina, that gold stone in there. That's what it looks like when it's matte. And look at that with those beads. Amazing. Oh, and then this is another interesting type of glass. This is called Chalcedonia because it looks like the stone, chalcedony. And this was a huge, huge breakthrough when this was first developed. It was one of the first synthetic stones in the world. And that's just really cool. And it does look like stone. In fact, it almost looks like a fossil. It's really cool. We have two of those with the Chalcedonia glass. Difficult to make. So anyway, this is just a little preview. We have lots of different price points depending on the size of the pendant and the complexity of the glass making. So there are lots of different styles. Oh, I have my notes in here. Opalino. That's this type of glass on the inside there. Isn't that pretty? The Opalino. Oh, and then my other post-it notes. SUV. That's the name of a famous factory, a glassworks in Murano that has sadly closed. So all of them with the SUV cane are quite collectible now if you're, an aficionado of Murano glass. So 1 through 6 are all SUV cane. Some of them are both they're from the SUV glass factory and have some of the vintage cane. Oh, look at the filigree in there. filigrano is that type of glass, and then you also have these little flowers in there. The gold leaf on the outside, just a gold leaf on the inside. Gorgeous. I am so excited to share these with you. So check your email in a little bit and you'll have a nice clear photo of every single colorway to help you choose. Happy beading!